Hello guys. This is Patty. Welcome to my channel. And I'm just bringing you in to show you how I have reorganized under my kitchen sink. And as you can see, the basket here, I just bought the basket not too long ago from the Dollar Tree. So I put a lot of things in that to kind of separate it. And over here, remember when I had the garbage disposal replaced? And that's that. And on this side, I have more products. So just want you guys to see what I have been doing behind the scenes. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen and more. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for all of the love and support that you give to my channel. I really appreciate all of you. I will talk to you on the next video, and thank you so much for watching.